The Hindu shortened dictation, total words 500, speed 80 word per minute. Start. The Centre's national directive for the mandatory use of its contact tracing app Arogya Setu as part of its COVID-19 combat measures falls short of established legal standards for the protection of privacy. The first requirement laid down by the Supreme Court in K.S. Puttaswamy, namely a law authorization the involuntary use of such an app, has not been fulfilled. The government has no power to make the app's use compulsory without legislative authorization. There is no legislative guidance for the app's purpose, functioning, and the nature of the use of the sensitive personal data it collects. Going by the directive issued under the Disaster Management Act, all people residing in containment zones, all government and public sector staff, and all employees, both public and private, who are allowed to during the lockdown, will have to download the app, which also cautions against not keeping the phone's location and Bluetooth on. Lawyers and activists have raised concern not only over privacy, they also fear that assessments made on the basis of information collected may be used to restrict public movement and access. The absence of a sunset clause or a rule limiting the purpose for which the data can be used or spelling out the entities authorized to use them are all valid concern. Some, like Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, fear it could become a surveillance tool. Para. However, Arogya Setu seems to be quite popular. Downloads have crossed 75 million, and what the government has going for itself is that many countries are implementing mobile app use for contact tracing. More and more governments are introducing applications for automated location services to trace the contact of those infected. India should abide by best practices elsewhere. The EU has laid down guidelines to the effect that such app use should be voluntary, that it should be preserve user privacy and should not be used after it becomes no longer necessary. Supreme Court recently struck down emergency powers given to the country's intelligence agency to trace the phone location of COVID-19 patients without enabling legislation. Australia's tracking app has sparked privacy concern, but the government has released a privacy impact assessment. While the intention behind the app's introduction may be good, as it is a given that the government is keen on doing everything possible to keep a watch on the spread of the virus, so that the lockdown as well as relaxations given to zones based on color coding are effective. It would be well advised to heed privacy concern raised by the opposition. LA fears that it may become a permanent mass surveillance instrument and ensure that there is sufficient anonymizing of data and its limited access. It has a duty to resort to methods that cause the least harm. Para. The Cowrie is a perennial source of controversies. The latest political row to erupt in Tamil Nadu is around the centre's April 24 notification bringing the Cauvery Water Management Authority under the administrative control of the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti, which was created a year ago by combining